Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks for your OUKITEL C33 camera. So first, if you want to take the photos on this phone, you can of course use the shutter button, but also you can use these buttons on the right side, the volume up and the volume down. When you click once, you can just take the one photo, but when you click and hold, you will take the series of the photos, the 30 photos in each series. You can also change, some colors and the temperatures by tapping right here and then select these options. Next, you are also able to get the brightness adjustment, so click on the screen and then move the sun icon up and down to increase or decrease the brightness level. When you select the 50 megapixel mode, you will just take the photos with the more details. So let me show you how it works. You are taking the photos, of course you have to hold your phone steady. And right now, when you take a look of the preview on this photo, it looks actually really good. We can find some details, especially right here, some pieces of the dust and other structure of this button. When you go to the settings, you can, for example, get rid of this camera sound, but also you can enable shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. And also, what is new in this phone, you can take the photos with your just clicking on the screen. Take a look. You click on the screen and the photo will be taken. You don't have to press this shutter button, the volume buttons. You can just click right here. And if you want to get like some other options, for example, you want to adjust other parameters of this phone, you can just open the Pro mode where you can find the parameters like exposure compensation, autofocus and the white balance. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.